All right, we are back for this tub that someone dumped here, and I don't think I can drag the whole thing as is. I think it's going to fall apart, so we got to load it up the hard way. So that sucks. Guess we got to bag this stuff. Bag it individually, and then, well, it's not going to work to drag it.
Nope, definitely not.
So I guess I got to just throw shit in bags and then get the weight out of it.
Yep. Alright.
So these are new. This is where our pile ended. And something was here, which is now gone.
So,
Yeah, maybe somebody was doing cleanup.
a lot of cans in there. It must be. It's like, is that the box?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what this is. Maybe somebody else is doing cleanup. But they didn't go down there though.
Well, they may not even.
So here's what we got. We're gonna stack all this crap up. All right, there's the soaking tub, and all the demolition drywall that was associated with it. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more bags, and whoever did this, maybe they're cleaning up. So we got some more stuff here. Very nice. And we added our other tires. So hopefully this is a person that's out here cleaning up and didn't just dump all this other stuff. But for now, all right, y'all, it's raining. It's New Year's Day. It's gonna call it for today because it's miserable, cold rain. But thanks for the donations, y'all. Got some recent donations. Thank you for that. And leave it better than you found it. Like and subscribe. Follow. Send me your trash cleanups. All right. That's all.